take a look at your Halloween forecast for Denver and for Colorado. But before we do so, I want to clear up a myth. It does not snow every year on or before Halloween in Denver. Now, the reason a lot of you might think that is that 2 of the last 6 years, we had notable snows. You might remember 2019, that was a really snowy October for us in Denver and across Colorado. That was one where we had about 8 inches of snow on the ground on Halloween. And also our low temperature that year dropped down to 7 degrees for us. Then a few years ago, back in 2023, we had a notable snowstorm on the weekend heading into Halloween, and that dropped about 7 to 8 inches of snow for us in Denver. So that was just 2 years ago. That might be part of the reason why you think that Halloween is usually pretty snowy, but on average, we only have snow on the ground or actively snowing conditions about 12 to 15% of the time for us here in Denver. So 1 out of 7, 1 out of 8 times, you're gonna have actively falling snow or snow on the ground on Halloween. This year, that leads into what I think is gonna happen for this year. It is trending on the warm and dry side for us in Halloween, and fairly high confidence in that. So we've got overall is a big ridge of high pressure that's going to build on the backside of an area of low pressure that moves out. This is a fairly typical weather pattern. So again, that's why a bit more confidence than usual that this will be a fairly tranquil Halloween weather for us in Denver and across most of Colorado as well. Not expecting any widespread precipitation, and in Denver, it should be on the dry side with a high temperature around 60 on Halloween itself. Again, still a little out there, still 10 days out, so don't take that to the bank, but overall a warm and dry trend to Halloween this year.